Brown and white ones, drop it for them. They are black buck antelope from India. They will not eat out of your hand. They are the smallest antelope in the world, but they can run 50 miles an hour.
Wow. Yeah, there you go. They're right there. Yeah, all right, drop some down. Feed this guy.
All right, now the hairy one here is a Scottish Highlander. They're my favorite cattle. You drop it in her mouth.
Oh, you drop it in her mouth.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of Highlanders. We have a lot of them.
Oh, okay, good.
Somebody feed him.
Yeah, feed him.
Now remember, he's a movie star. He'll give you a little kiss.
Oh, get a kiss by a movie star. Look at him.
Oh, you don't know if you see that.
Yeah, move down there now. Go get some more. You're too funny. And Holly, eat it out of the bucket. Yeah, they eat out of the bucket. See the baby?
So they pull back. Alright, now when it is our turn to pull up, I'm going to need everybody on this side to bring your hands in the wagon. Sometimes I'll get close to the fence. Now the horse will sometimes she'll try to run. Alright, stand up and hold your bucket
Alright,
up.
now go feed the bucket. Let me move out of the way. Go ahead, hold your bucket up. She'll reach.
Now she's going to go for the bucket with the most feed in it. Might come up. She's eating. Somebody dropped some on the ground, so she's eating.
Yeah, my friend.
He got teeth. Oh, that teeth looking good.
Here comes one.
That looks like a little one. She's definitely smarter than us. Oh, there's another one in the car. That was probably like every 2 months or every day.
Zebra. It's a big horse. Put your hand on there. See if he'll lift his head up.
He doesn't. Lift up your head,
He's
mister.
eating. Oh.
Look at that zebra.
Do you know each one has different stripes? Whoa!
I had no idea. I guess we're waiting.
We won't leave till we feed him.
What a moocher.
Okay, now you can, Colin, if you want to feed this guy, you can. Roll down your window and hold out your hand. Guess not. Okay, you want to wait till we're past the zebra? Yeah, you can turn, look at who's in front of us.
He figured out the system.
Watch that horn. He's going to hit you. Stop!
Oh, I'm not stopping.
This is just customer.
Oh.
Know who's behind us? Mr. Zebra. We saw enough come out this tour.
We're penned in by a zebra and something. Something. All right, inch him along.
No, don't hit him.
He'll move.
You're not going to hit him.
If we hit him, he's
Do not touch him.
Don't touch him one bit. Don't move. This is just get someone. Put the lights on. I know one if you're in the bus seat like this.
I suppose if you wanted to back up a little to try and go around.
No.
Got a little
There's a
room.
car super behind us.
No, there's
But
room.
there's no zebra, right?
No.
No. Stop.
Look at him looking. He's like, you think you're moving.
No, he's gonna hit us. He's gonna hit us.
No, he's
Maybe.
not.
Don't be so worried. Oh, he's going to
Hey, the zebra got a bucket.
Yeah.
He doesn't care that. Oh, he's going to the other car.
He'd be stealing your bucket.
Mom, he's on the other car. Oh, bucket. Lucky him.
Here's some of the Highland cows that we can feed. These guys are sweet.
Got any more, Colin?
Yeah. Slava spit all over the car.
Everybody hands to the water buffalo.
Get him some more, Dan?
Want more? Nothing on my side.
Okay, good job.
Bye, Buffalo. Is it working?
Stop, Bryce, stop.
Stop.
Yeah, look at him.
You like it, buddy?
Cool. Good job, buddy.
You're eating it like a champ.
When should I start recording?
Ah, you're funny. Okay, all done, buddy. See you later.
What's it? It will peck my hand if I put it out.
Yeah, that's why you hold out the bucket.
Yep. See, he's a peck, 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 peck.
He won't peck my hand when I'm boarding it.
No, no, he's only interested in the food.
He's like, I don't like this.
More for the deer.
Oh, that is cute. Don't drop that.
Okay.
Okay,
There we
okay,
go.
Okay. Deer.
There you go, see?
More. Dude, you need more? I got more. Oh no, the baby ones I can feed it.
Here, Dan, I'll hold it here for you.
Oh, the baby one down there. You need more? I got more. The baby one down there.
Oh, look at him.
Here. How's it going? You need more? My pinky went inside his mouth. It was so cute. Here.
They're going to eat off the ground now.
There you go.
That's it.
Whoa, look at that dude.
It's pretty.
Could I?
Yeah, if he comes up to the car, sure. Hold your hand out, see if he'll come up.
Here.
No. I bet that llama will, though, up there. See, look, there's...
Oh, your buddy's coming.
Hey, bud. Buddy's coming. Here.
He probably recognizes you.
Uh-huh. He knows this is the food car. Yep,
Yeah.
look at that.
Like, I know that girl.
And give me the bucket so she can fill it.
Yeah, Mama be stealing my bucket.
Dump it in. Here.
You slap it.
Okay.
Get off me. Slap it. You slap it.
Okay, bye.
No, just hold it out. He'll
No,
eat
he's
it.
gonna sneeze. Stop it.
Okay, that's it.
I'm getting in the back. I'm getting in
It's
the back.
fine. Stay here.
No, I can't.
It's fine.
All right, go ahead, Dada. Go ahead. Bye, guy. Look at...
Slobbered all over.
he slobbered all over me. All right, clean up.
His teeth, see? Earring. It's hearing. He
Yeah.
does have teeth. He does have teeth.
Well, they don't bite you.
I think you're kind of.
Yeah, he does, but he's fine. Oh, what it is I think... You can't get in here. You have antlers. You have big antlers.
Mr. Awesomeness. Dum dum bum 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 bum. Well. Okay, Llama, outside the car.
Well, move your food closer.
See? Outside the car. Oh, yeah. Boom, look at this. You're the award winner for best face llama. So you get extra. Okay, bye, Llama. That's so cute.
Bye, Llama Llama.
You get extra. You lucky duck.
Hi, Buffalo. Hi, Buffalo.
Ew.
I wake up. Yeah, I got slobber on my window.
Ew. No, get away from me.
There's the baby.
Oh, look at what he's doing to Kyle's window. Too bad Kyle hit the window.
Ha! The baby just laid down.
Whoa, Dannon! Don't try this. But I wasn't trying to. I was tipping it to see if there was a new thing that.
He's just holding his mouth open.
I was just like gonna.
Look at him with his old goofy horns.
Yeah.
He's an old timer.
This.
He's a minor 49er there.
Okay.
Hey, mister. Don't stress it. Yeah. This is level